This is the bedroom. Got a little mini fridge. Water's in there. It's gonna be a liquor in there later. They give you a laptop. Pretty cool. Got a TV. Samsung. And we got the bathroom here. Bathroom. The rainfall shower here. Not bad, not bad. Not bad at all. The other side of the bathroom. I think that's a bidet or something. Is that what they call it? A bidet? I don't know. Oh, let me not press buttons before something happens. And once you go downstairs, doing a little room tour. Is this fire?
I think so.
That would be cool. Downstairs is another shower. Rainfall. And a sauna. Gotta use a sauna too. Oh, a little clock here too. Look at that. You can turn it up. Measure how long you've been in the sauna. Hotel. And then got the pool. Ooh. Water's so crystal clear. Look at that. Microwave. The mirror. Teas, yes. Another mini fridge. Caution, wet floor. Oh, they have slippers for the pool area. Water's so still, it's like a glass mirror. And they got this little area. A bubble bath. Not bad.